Hi friends, today we'll discuss about tax saver deposits. So all deposits are liability products. Already we have discussed in previous videos. All deposits means money has taken from the customer. So these are liabilities for a bank. So how it is tax saver deposit is different from other deposit products. Today we'll discuss fixed deposit. Yes, fixed saver are tax saver deposits are fixed because you have a fixed period linked to these accounts. Who can open tax saver deposits? Individuals, HUF, minors can open tax saver deposits. So how it is different from other deposit products? So if you open a tax saver deposit, this is for the 5 years fixed and lock-in period for 5 years. Means you can't close before 5 years. So these are lock-in period deposits. What about the interest? Yes, interest can be calculated and paid to the customer on monthly or quarterly, or you want on maturity, everything will be calculated and compounded and given to the customer on maturity. Or you want to interest should be withdrawn from monthly, quarterly, you can withdraw or you can transfer to your savings bank account. Interest earned on these deposits taxable. So investment in tax saver, are you are getting any tax exemption? Yes, whatever the amount invested in tax saver deposits, you will get a tax exemption under section 80C up to 1,50,000. But interest earned on tax saver deposits are taxable. What is the maximum deposit you can keep it in tax saver deposit? Because you are getting a tax exemption 1,50,000 for a financial year, so maximum amount you can deposit in these accounts are 1,50,000. Nomination facility, yes, nomination facility is available, you can nominate. What about the maturity? On maturity, it can be transferred to customer account and there is no renewal option available. You can transfer to your account. And pre-maturity not allowed. Before maturity, you can't withdraw these deposits. Means before 5 years, you can't withdraw these deposits or you can't close these deposits. Loan. No loan available on these deposits. In other deposits, if you have 1 lakh worth of deposit, you can take a loan up to 90%, or it will vary from one bank to another person. Some banks they can give 80% loan, but these tax saver deposit, no loan facility available. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends.